Hello, everyone.
Welcome back.
I'm Lucy.
And I'm Tom.
How are you today?
I'm great, thank you.
Today, we're talking about learning English fast.
This is a very useful topic.
We have 8 great habits for you.
Let's begin.
So, Tom, what's the first habit?
The first habit is practice every day.
Every day,
Yes, every day is important.
even just 10 minutes.
Yes, 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours one time.
That's true.
My students who practice every day learn so much faster.
Really?
Yes, even just 10 minutes while drinking morning coffee makes a big difference.
That's a great habit.
It's easy and enjoyable.
So, the second habit is listen to English.
Yes, listen to English as much as possible.
What can people listen to?
Let me think. They can listen to music, podcasts, or videos.
Those are all great options.
Yes, listening helps you learn pronunciation and natural speech.
And you can listen anywhere.
On the bus, at home, when you walk.
Perfect. Now, habit number 3.
Habit 3 is speak English. Don't be afraid.
This is very important.
Yes, many people are afraid to speak.
Why are they afraid?
They worry about making mistakes.
But mistakes are okay.
Exactly. Mistakes help you learn.
My friend Maria is learning English.
Oh, yes?
She was afraid to speak at first, but now she practices with me every week.
That's wonderful.
Yes, and she's getting better and better.
See? Practice makes perfect.
So true. What's habit number 4?
Read something in English every day.
Even something small.
Yes, you can read short stories, news, or social media posts.
Start with easy things.
Exactly. Don't start with difficult books.
What do you like to read?
I read English comic books.
Comic books are great for learning.
They have pictures, so it's easier to understand.
Good idea. Now, habit 5.
Habit 5 is write in English.
Write every day.
If possible, yes.
What should people write?
They can write anything. A diary, shopping lists, or text messages.
I have a special notebook.
What's in your notebook?
I write new words I learn every day, and then I make sentences with those words.
That's wonderful.
It really helps me remember.
Writing helps your brain remember new things.
Yes. Okay, what's habit number 6?
Watch English videos or TV shows.
Oh, I love this one.
What do you watch?
I watch cooking shows in English.
Cooking shows?
Yes, I love cooking. So it's fun for me, and I learn English at the same time.
That's smart.
When you enjoy what you watch, learning is easier.
Absolutely. You can start with subtitles in your language.
Good tip.
Then later use English subtitles.
And finally, no subtitles.
Exactly. One step at a time.
So what's habit number 7?
Use new words immediately.
What do you mean?
When you learn a new word, use it the same day.
How?
Say it out loud, write it in a sentence, or use it in conversation.
Why is this important?
Because when you use a word, you remember it better.
That makes sense.
If you just read a word but never use it, you forget it quickly.
So use it or lose it.
Exactly.
Great! And the last habit.
Habit number 8 is make learning fun.
This is my favorite.
Mine too. Learning should be enjoyable.
If it's boring, you won't continue.
Right. So find things you enjoy.
Like music, games, or movies.
I play English video games.
Really?
Yes, I talk with other players in English, and we have fun together.
That's amazing.
I don't feel like I'm studying, but I'm learning a lot.
When you enjoy it, it doesn't feel like work.
Exactly.
So those are our 8 habits.
Let's review them quickly.
Great idea.
Habit 1. Practice every day.
Practice every day.
Habit 2. Listen to English.
Listen to English.
Habit 3. Speak English. Don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid to speak.
Habit 4. Read something every day.
Read in English every day.
Habit 5. Write in English.
Write in English.
Habit 6. Watch English videos or TV shows.
Watch and enjoy.
Habit 7. Use new words immediately.
Use new words right away.
And habit 8. Make learning fun.
Make it fun.
Remember, you don't need to do all 8 habits today.
Start with 1 or 2 habits.
Then add more when you're ready.
Small steps are okay.
Be patient with yourself.
Learning takes time.
But with these habits, you will improve fast.
We believe in you.
Great job today.
You did so well.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.